Welcome back to the program. Fitting of the cable boot commences by carefully sliding the cable boot over the cores towards the crutch, pulling it well down over the crutch until the bottom of the boot covers the moisture seal. Using an X.L.P.E gas torch adjusted to give a soft blue flame, begin shrinking the boot, commencing at the spouts and then moving towards the crutch. Before shrinking is complete, remove the heat and seat the boot by pulling it well into the crutch area as demonstrated. Finally, shrink the whole boot evenly from the spouts to the skirt. Keep the torch moving continuously to avoid scorching the material. Correctly shrunk, the boot should be wrinkle-free with inner components clearly defined. After the break, we will demonstrate fitting the stress control tubes and lugs.